been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I have a brand new video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys some really cute laid-back outfits, perfect for work, that are very comfortable and just very laid back. A lot of these outfits, I've been wearing these non-stop for work, so I feel like it's perfect for work or if you're going to school, so anything like that. Not so dressy, it's very casual. I feel like when you have a good sweater, you could change it up and you could dress it up and dress it down. And I feel like wearing like a nice cropped sweater with some fun texture and nice colors with a nice basic skirt could be really it actually makes it look like you took some time into your outfit when you really didn't. I saw this dress in Macy's and I really loved it because it's for Free People, and Free People, their pieces are very bohemian, very laid back. And when I saw this dress, I loved it so much. It fits amazing. Honestly, it's so comfortable. It's not fitted. It's definitely very flowy. And I saw this sweater in Free People online, and I really wanted to get it in yellow. They had it in yellow and in color cream or like off-white, but they didn't have it in my size. And I saw this black one, and I thought this was really cool because it has a lot of texture, and right now sweaters with so much different multiple colors and texture is very popular in the season of winter. And I like how it has a good combination of black and white, but there's they combined it in different ways. So I decided to wear this mini bag. These mini bags back in like 2003, I remember when they barely came out, and this is how I've been obsessed with fashion ever since I was little. I remember the first bag of this style was Prada, and I wanted one so badly, and I was just like 6 years old and I already knew what a Prada bag was. I would see Paris Hilton and Jennifer Lopez, Jessica Alba wear them. I feel like these bags are gonna be a huge comeback for 2020. Honestly, they're just so cute, and for coming as a petite person, they just make you look like it's a good bag for a small person. So I love it, and I had to get this one. This one's from Bloomingdale's, and it's perfect size. You could dress it up, you could dress it down. Back then, I feel like as a kid, we really couldn't wear purses, and I really wanted one so bad from Prada. So I got not my Prada, but I got one from Bloomingdale's. But if they start making them in Prada, I am definitely gonna get one because I wanted one when I was a little girl, and right now I could get one for myself. So I'm excited about these bags. I'm thinking of making a video of showing you guys all predictions for fashion in 2020. I have a list, and I've been having thoughts, like I feel like this is gonna be a trend, and I've been seeing in the runways, so I think that'd be really cool to show you guys. So and yeah, that's about it. Like I said, it was just very casual looks that I like to wear for work. Make sure to let me know any ideas if you would like to see like any future videos. I definitely have a list of some stuff that I want to do for YouTube. I've just been so busy with work. It's really hard sometimes to like do both things because I get out of work very late, but I'm pushing it through, and yeah, I'm excited. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Money so good.